Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate the perfect combination of two types of twisted elastic knits, which complement each other due to their specific structure. The skein consists of 6 loops and 2 rows. To start, cast on several stitches that are a multiple of 6. Add 3 loops for symmetry and 2 edge loops. The first row is on the right side. After the edge stitch, we will work with 3 loops of the thin cable and 3 loops of the thick one. Purl 1, knit 1 twisted through the back, and purl 1. Then make a yarn over loop, knit 3 together through the back, and knit the first 2 together again. Repeat, purl 1, knit 1 through the back, purl 1, yarn over, knit 3 together, and knit 2 together. The second row is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, knit 1, purl 1 twisted through the back, and knit 1. Then make a yarn over loop, purl 3 together, and purl the first 2 together again. Repeat, knit 1, purl 1 through the back, knit 1, yarn over, purl 3 together, and purl 2 together. This knit has a symmetrical and well-balanced structure, with ideal elasticity specific to all twist loop patterns. It is suitable for knitwear and accessories and would look great on sweaters, blouses, or cardigans. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.